Alright, I'm going to do a product review of the Sunjoe 13 amp electric pressure washer, 250 psi max. That's this model. So here it is right here. It comes with what they refer to as a foam cannon, which is what you put the detergent in. I haven't tested this part out, but if you want to use detergent, then it comes with that. So, I mean, this pressure washer, it seems to work okay. It does have a few quirks to it. I mean, for the price, I don't think you can beat it. I only paid like 56 bucks for this thing. But a few of the quirks is, let me show you. Like, this connection right here is not very well designed. This is a plastic pipe that you screw into, so that has a lot of tendency to leak. So this whole coupler is not very good. It's not leaking now, but it did in the past. The other thing is, I didn't know anything about pressure washers. I'm not sure this is the same thing on all pressure washers, but when you turn this on, nothing happens. It doesn't, it doesn't make any noise. So at first I thought there was something wrong with it. But what you have to do is turn it on and then push the trigger on the gun or whatever, and then it comes on. So it only comes on when you push the trigger. So I didn't know that, so I was like concerned that it didn't work. And it did leak here once as well, and some people have complained about this model that there's an O-ring in there that will crack sometimes, and then it will start leaking. The O-ring hasn't cracked in here yet, so I think we're good. But it's a low budget pressure washer, but it definitely does the job. So let me show you how it works here. All right, here we go. I don't know how much of that you actually could see, but it's definitely cleaned some crud off right here. Here's the dirt, and that's what it's cleaned, so it definitely works. So here's some more cleaning action for you. So yeah, it's really cleaning that crud off of there. So would I recommend it? I mean, I haven't used it. This is the first day that I've used it, so I haven't used this long term, but for the price, I mean, why not? What do you have to lose? It's $56. I got it used on Amazon, and it seems to be doing the job. So hopefully this little video was helpful to you if you're considering purchasing this Sunjoe pressure washer. This is the 2050 psi pressure washer, 13 amp electric. So hopefully this is helpful. Thank you for watching.